How do you fix too much light in a photo on iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so when it comes to just taking a photo and if there's just too much light, you can tap on the subject to select it within the focus mode and then dial down the exposure as you are taking the picture directly in the camera. However, if you have already captured the photo and it's stored in the Photos app, you can still do some things, right? You can, for example, just select the image, make it go full screen, and tap on the Edit button below. This lets you scroll through and adjust all of these different buttons, and they all have this slider right there. And to dial down the light, you can use, for example, the highlights and just make them go down a little bit, right? Or you have the exposure slider, which also adjusts the light in the photo. Same thing for the general brightness controller, which might also make the whole picture light up or darken it down if you feel like there's too much light. The whole point is to play around with these toggles and options in here to make sure that you get it and finish with the best and optimal result that you want. Keep in mind, however, that if you still need more things to play with your image or to control it on a deeper level, then there are more advanced applications to do that. For example, Lightroom from Adobe is a great example where you have more sliders and there's even a curve, which you can adjust it like that and also do it for different colors and change the hue of some colors, right? So it's more professional if you need it, if you want to get the most out of your image. But I believe using the built-in photo editing tools also gets the job done for a lot of times, right? So let me know if you managed to make it work on your device, if you managed to get the result that you wanted with your shots. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later in those upcoming videos as well.